Hello everyone, let's try to solve this Singapore math word problem. So the problem says Sana and Maya had an equal number of pens. After Sana gave 20 pens to Maya, Maya had 5 times as many pens as Sana. How many pens did they have altogether? So in these type of problems, we are going to start from the end. In the end, what happens? Maya has 5 times as many pens as Sana. So let's write down the names of Maya and Sana and let's draw bar models for each of them. Maya has 5 times, so we'll draw 5 boxes for Maya. She is having 5 times that of Sana, so Sana will have 1 box. So now let's go back. What was the condition in the beginning? In the beginning, they were having an equal number of pens. So now we can see Maya has 4 extra. Now, what would have been the condition in the beginning? 4 extras. So that means or we can also see that the total number of boxes are 6. So Maya must be having 3. Maya and Sana both must be having 3 each in the beginning. So, and now also notice that Sana had given 20 pens to Maya. You can also see that in terms of boxes, she has given 2 boxes. Like we can see, when she gave these 2 boxes to Maya, she had 5 times as Sana. So that means these 2 boxes should be equal to 20. So this gives us that 1 box is 10 and we have been asked how much they have altogether. So altogether they have 6 boxes. So that means altogether they should have 6 times 10, that is 60. So 60 is the answer. I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.